morning, students. I welcome you to my grammar class. Today, the topic is preposition. Preposition of place. In my previous class, I have already discussed before you some of the prepositions of place. Now, we shall discuss the preposition of, out of, from, to, towards, for. How they are used as preposition of place. So now you see of, out, out of, from are used for directions. ये preposition गुड़ा सब दिग को बुझाए. Of has the meaning from the surface of and down from. For example, take the book off the table from the surface of the table. He fell off the horse. Fell down from the horse. Fell off means fell down from the horse. Here, off means from the surface, and also here off means down from the. So now you see how off is used in different purposes. Then you see out of. Out of, it means from the interior. From the interior, bhitaru baharaku. They ran from the place of murder. They ran from the place of murder. Here, from says ru tharu. From the meaning hochi ru tharu. They ran from the place of murder. से मर्डर जगारू दौड़ी पड़ेगा. नेक्स्ट वी सी टू, टुवर्ड्स, फॉर. दे आर यूज्ड फॉर डायरेक्शंस आल्सो. टू फॉर द डेस्टिनेशन. टू टा लक्ष्य स्थल को बुझाए. टुवर्ड्स दिग को बुझाए, डायरेक्शन. ही रैन टुवर्ड्स ए सेफ प्लेस. Here towards means digaku. He threw a ball to the children. Here two preposition used for the destination, lakshya sthala. He threw a ball to the children. पिल्लाको ऊपर पिल्लाको it a cooperation. To is used for cooperation. Next, you see another example. He threw a stone at the dog. Here, at is used. At means, at the dog means it is aggression. Se ball ta pakouchi ragikiri. Ba konosi action raba pai. At the dog. Here, at used for aggression, and here to used for cooperation. So this is the difference between he threw a ball to the children, he threw a stone at the dog. Next we see he left for home, or he set off for London. He left for home. Se घर अभिमुखे बाहरिले, घर को बाहरिले. He set up for London. London अभिमुखे यात्रा आरंभ कले. Here both the places, both the cases, for means अभिमुखे. So now, dear student, you see how to, towards, for. are used for direction and how to use for destination and towards for direction. So this is the use of preposition of place. Dear students, you saw the use of place preposition in different places. Now you see what is the difference between some prepositions. You see the difference of use. For example, you see on the island, in the island. What is the difference between them? On the island means the island is small, Kshudra. In this place we use on. If the island is large, Bruhat, tale we use in place of on. Next we see another example. In the field, on the field. In is used if the field is enclosed, परिवेष्टित क्षेत्र. On the field, on is used परिवेष्टित क्षेत्र नुहे. On is used in place of in. Example 3. In an armchair, on a chair. In is used before armchair because the chair covered by arms. बाहु द्वारा आबद्ध होइतिले इन बसलो. आर्मचेयर क्षेत्र इन बसलो. On a chair means chair is armless. Armless chair. Here on is used. Chair टी बाहु द्वारा आबद्ध नुहे. 4. In the corner of the room, at or on the corner of the street. In the corner of a room, कोठरीर कोण. कोठरीर कोण होइतिले in बसिबो. Fixed place. At on the corner of the street. रास्तार कोण होइतिले at बसिबो किंबा on बसिबो. Next we see in the form of in the front of. In the front of, in the back of. In the front of, in the back of. Bus, car, train, etc. In the front of bus, in the back of bus. In the front of car, in the back of a car. In the front of train, in the back of a train. Like this, at the front of, at the back of. Building, hall, group of people kshetra huye. At the front of the building. At the back of the building, at the front of the hall, at the back of the hall, at the front of a group of people, at the back of a group of people. Next, on the front, on the back. On the front, on the back. On the front of letter, book, paper, magazine. Like this, on the back of letter, book, paper, magazine. You see, in, at, on, how used in the front and the back. In which cases? In the front, in the back, bus, car, train. At the front, at the back, building, hall, group of people. On the front, on the back, letter, book, paper and a magazine. Next you see, at a shop. In a store, in the market. जदि किणिबा उद्देश्य रे जाउथिबो to buy ताले at a shop हबो. In a store हबो. At a shop. Shop is a proper place. It is a building. In a store. It is also a building at a proper place. In a building. In the market. So it is a large area. So here in this case, but this is the difference between at a shop, in a store, in the market, at, in, on. Dear students, now you see what is the difference between arrive at and arrive in. Arrive at, point of journey, लक्ष्य स्थल. Arrive in, केवल स्थान विशेष. For example, we arrived at Kolkata. Means Kolkata airport, Kolkata seaport, Kolkata railway station. Point of place, लक्ष्य स्थल, point of journey. We arrived in Kolkata means it is general sense in the city of Kolkata. शहर रे, जे कोनो स्थान रे. Next we see against and difference between against and with, use of preposition. A is swimming with the current. अनुकूल सतर अनुकूल. B is swimming against the current. सतर प्रतिकूल. प्रतिकूल against, अनुकूल with. Now the preposition place is finished. Now we shall do some exercises. Students, now you see activity 1. The uses of preposition in activity 1. First of all, the young men are swimming in the sea. Here, in is used for the larger area. There is a label on the medicine bottle. Here, on is used for close contact. There is a TV set in the corner of the room. Fixed place of a room, house, in the house. London is on the Thames. On is used close to. London is on the Thames, close to the Thames. Like this we can say Cuttack is on the Mahanadi. Next, John was brought up on a farm, but at the age of 16, he was sent to work in a shop. John was brought up on a farm. On is used as a place of work, not a building. But in a shop, in is used as a place of work. It is in buildings, but on is used at the place of work. It is not a building. Next, when we visited Hyderabad, we stayed at the Jasta Hotel. Jasta Hotel is the exact place of a Hyderabad. It shows the exact place. Next, I would prefer to work in a factory. It is used for place of work. It may be a building. In a factory. Maybe large area also. He told me that he lived at 25 Ashok Nagar, BBSR, Bhubaneswar. At is used for the exact place of Bhubaneswar, Ashok Nagar. My father is employed as a cashier in the local branch of the Allahabad Bank. Place of work. It is used for place of work. It is also a building. Next, he was below me at school. Below me at school. Here, below means lower than. My hat fell under a chair. Under a chair. As I was leaving the room. Under a chair means directly below. Directly below the chair. So, next we see. Now you see another example. He has 10 men working under him. Here it shows authority. Under means under him. Takta adhinare. Under means adhinare. They were standing by the hillside. By hillside. It is at the hillside exact place. They were walking together on the beach. On the beach, standard at, on, along. You can use at the beach, along the beach. You can use in the place of on. He waited half an hour at the corner of the street. At the corner of the street, exact place. She divided the cake among her 5 children. Among means here says many of the 5 children. I cannot see any difference between these two books. Comparison between two. Comparison between two. Comparison between all. Among is used. She met me at the front door. Exact place. I was getting late, so we set up for whom? From whom we have variable. For direction. Shows the direction. He could not keep himself from falling against the wall. Upright surface. From the upright surface. So, dear students, now the grammar class of today is over. We discussed vividly about the place preposition. Now, so wait for the next class. Next class we shall discuss the preposition of time or time preposition. Thank you all for watching my class, and again thank you all.